Hello, my dear Scorpio, and welcome to your 2021 theme of the year. Dear Scorpio, if you're new to my channel, I suggest you please do subscribe so that you're notified every time I release a new video. So let's get started. Let's see what is 2021 holding for the Scorpio. It has been difficult 2020, right, my dear Scorpio? But doesn't matter. It's like that. Whatever comes, we have to accept it, and when we accept it, things become easier, right? So let's see what it is for you. Well, you have the man and the ship. So, my dear Scorpios, I see that you will be dealing with the masculine energy this year. It can be your brother, it can be you if you're a man, male Scorpio. Um, it's about dealing with a brother, father, authority figure who is a masculine figure. So whatever comes under the masculine, the male energy, this year you are dealing with it. It can be your brother, your husband, your lover, your boyfriend, your son. Yeah. So you are going to be dealing with this, my dear Scorpio, this year. And it can be you. And as it is coming up with the movement energy of the ship, I see that the male Scorpios, I see a lot of things regarding travel for them. It's going to be a travel energy for them. You are traveling either by the plane, train, bus. There is a travel energy that I see. Yeah, right now you will say, oh, but Sylvia, what is that? Because now we are all blocked and things like that. But I'm seeing the travel energy over here. Even if you don't travel, if I don't see, things will get deblocked soon. So I see that you will be having some international connections this year, my dear Scorpio. You're going to have some international connections. You're going to have something to do with the offshores. There is some energy of the foreign lands. Lady Scorpios, you might feel like traveling. You might want to change your place for a male figure. Some of you might travel and might go to join your boyfriend or your husband or your son or your father. Something like this is seen in the 2021. And business wise also, I'm seeing that Scorpios will have something to do internationally. Most probably some of you might be looking for a job abroad. So I'm seeing travel coming up on those lines also, my dear Scorpio. And I'm also seeing that you need to take care with your back and your hip bone, your pelvic region, okay, my dear Scorpios. In this year especially, you need to take care of you know the back and your pelvic regions. This is what I see. So pay extra attention, or rather I would say take care. Be more flexible, do your normal exercises, but not something which is vigorous that can hurt your back, because the chances are high that you might hurt your back this year. So just take care of that. And I also see that some of the Scorpios are going to migrate to another land. I see you will go and you will try to live in another country. I see some kind of migration for some of the Scorpios. I see something related to job that you're doing with the offshore, with the foreign lands. This is what I see. While for some of the Scorpios, I'm seeing relationship-wise, for some Scorpios, I'm seeing that you're taking distance from somebody. This year you are taking distance. Some of you are traveling towards love, but some of you are traveling away from the one who loved you, who you loved, but now circumstances are like that. So we need to say goodbye, and maybe next time we meet. Yeah, until next time we meet, or maybe we don't meet. Yeah, so some kind of decisions will be here. And I also see some kind of distancing inside of you. So just take care with your emotions, that you don't become cold towards your close, near and dear ones. Just be careful about that, my dear Scorpio, because that's not the way things are going to be better. All right. So just be careful about that. That you don't distance yourself. Rather try to understand the situation. Rather try to build bridges instead of walls this year, all right, especially when it comes to that masculine energy that is going to be there around us in the 2021, my dear Scorpio. And otherwise, I'm seeing that some of you are going to make a very good friend this year, somebody whom you can meet. Just all of a sudden you meet, and there's a chance meeting, like wow, a new friend from foreign lands. This is what I'm seeing. It can be a male friend, it can be a female energy, also feminine energy, a masculine energy. But there is a new friend, but who is not living in your country, who is from another country, that I see for the Scorpios. But otherwise, yes, time to move, my dear Scorpio, time to move. And yes, whoever is this masculine energy, be it you, be it anybody, deal with it in your, intuitive way. Give them a chance if there is a situation that arises by the month of, I would say, March, April. Yeah, you need to take care of that, my dear Scorpio. All right. So on this note, my dear Scorpios, I first of all thank you for your patience. You have all been so patient, and lots of love you have been sending to me. Thanks to all of it, I am back again. And I wish you a wonderful 2021, and make the most of it, because there is this energy of travel, energy of change, and you need to make it, right? And I'm seeing it for many signs. It's really those, I said, the opposing forces of staying, going, things of the elastic, how when you stretch it, then you loosen it, and then you stretch it. This is what is happening in 2021 for us, and we have to take a path. There are two ways in front of us, as usual in life, but here it is going to be more obvious. All right, so take your good decision, my dear Scorpio, and I am going to see you next time. Until then, sending you lots of love and my well wishes for the 2021, and may God bless you always, my dear Scorpios. Take care. Bye bye. God bless. Bye.